Today you'll take your vocabulary test for Chapter 3 of The Outsiders. What you'll do is you're going to write the word to match its definition on the lines. Be sure to put your name, date, and class period at the top of the page. Here's the word bank. I'm going to read from left to right. Gallantly, dumbfounded, aloofness, elite, resignedly, bleak, and reeling. The first word are persons of the highest class. Next is a word that means submissive. Next is a word that means brave-spirited or noble-minded, like a knight. The next word means spinning in circles. The next word is without hope or encouragement. The next word means distant or cold. It also means uninterested. And finally, the last word means amazed or astounded.